I'm Stephanie, and I'm going to show you how to play When You Wish Upon a Star from Pinocchio. We've made a really pretty version of it for you. The chords are in the left hand, and most of the melody is in your right hand. While it seems a little complicated to play at first, it's the same thing twice, pretty much. So it'll be easier than you expect. I'm going to play it for you, and you can observe how it repeats. That's phrase 1, and then it repeats right here. Okay, so let's break that down. You're going to start with your left hand playing a C major chord. That means your pinky is going to be on C to the left of the two black keys. Your right hand is also going to be in C major position. So that means your thumb will be on C major position. You'll start with a chord in your left hand. So every other finger for your C major chord. And you'll hold that while your right hand will continue the melody. So I'm going to take away the left hand and just show you the melody with the right hand for the first two measures. It starts with your pinky. So that looks a little tricky, right? Your pinky plays, you step down, then your two finger is going to reach down a little bit. It feels like you're reaching up because you're going away from you on the piano, but it's actually down to C sharp, and then your thumb tucks under to D. Okay, so you start 5, 4, 3, reach, and then 1 comes here. And then if you notice, your hand, if it's relaxed, your pinky will be already on A, which is the last note. Okay, so just watch again. Reach. Okay, now I'm going to add the left hand. The left hand starts with the melody. When you wish upon a star. I'm going to add one more thing, and then you can pause and rewind and practice it on your own. There's one more note with the left hand. When you reach your two finger over to C sharp, you're also going to play your two finger in your left hand on F. Okay, so your left hand won't even move. It's going to stay in C position. When you wish upon a star. Okay, that seems really tricky at first, but if you play it 5 times in a row, it'll come more naturally. Pause and try it on your own. Great. The next two phrases are quite similar. We start with a left hand chord, then the right hand plays the melody. From there, I'll show you what it looks like. Makes no difference who you are. So your left hand started with a C major chord, then you played F. Now your whole left hand is going to move up. Your thumb will reach to B, your two finger to G, and your 5 to D. So if you notice, this doesn't look like your normal chord. That's because it's an inversion. So there's an extra gap between these two notes. Usually, it's just a third, and now it's a fourth. Okay, so you'll play 1, 2, 5. Now, if that's new to you, just try it a few times by itself, playing that inverted chord. play it one finger at a time if you have to as well. Okay, so we start with that chord. Then your right hand is going to move up one and start on B, and it will take over the melody from there. Let me show you. Okay, I'll show you one more time. We start on B, 5, 4, 3. Now your 2 finger is going to play a black key again. Last time, though, it reached to the left. This time it's not going to reach. It's actually going to go up on the piano. And yes, this way is up, but also this way is up. So what I mean is it goes to F sharp. Okay, if you notice when I played F sharp, your thumb tucks under, and then your 4 finger will play C. 5, 4, 3, tuck under, C. One more time slowly. Okay, I'm going to add the chord with my left hand because it begins the melody. Makes no difference who you are. Now I want to add another note. Just like last time, it's one note in the left hand. You're going to play E when you reach over to the F sharp. So notice last time we played our 2 finger. This time we're playing our 4 finger. Makes no difference who you are. If you have to play hands separate, like that, you should. I'll play it one more time and then you can pause and practice on your own. Makes no difference who you are. Congratulations, you've just learned the hardest part of the song. Now, we're just going to play a scale. Your 5 finger at this point is already on D. So you're just going to play all the way down to your 1 finger. And once you get there, you're going to take your 3 finger, which is your middle finger, and come down to F, kind of in a rainbow motion, you could say. And play all the way to your thumb. Anything your heart desires will. Okay, now your hand is in D minor position. You're going to keep it there. So once your thumb ends on D, you're just going to play your 3 and 5 finger where they are. You see my hand didn't move. You can pause and try that on your own if you need to. If not, I'm going to move on. You'll bring your left hand up. Your left hand was in that G position. So you can just keep it there for this whole section and use your 1 and 2 finger to play the next chord, G and B. So we have this chord with our right hand, then this chord with your left hand. Then the right hand is going to shift down to C major position and play the same 2 fingers, 3 and 5. So you see it was here, and we just go down 1. So the chords go like this. Try that a few times if you need. But I'm going to go back to the beginning of the line at measure 5 and play this whole thing. Pause and practice that on your own. Okay, now it's time to review. We've learned a lot, but we've actually learned most of the song because it's the same thing twice. So I'm going to play it from the beginning. You can just observe this time. Next time we'll play together. Okay, now let's try playing it together. I'll go really slowly so you can, just get the hang of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you. All right, you can pause and practice that, rewind even, and play it with me as many times as you need. And we're going to go on to the second half. Let me just play the whole second half for you so you can see what part is different. If your heart is in your dreams, no request is too extreme. When you wish upon a star as dreamers do. So if you notice, it was just the last measure that was different, which is awesome. That means we've learned the whole thing. All you have to do is go back to C position at the end and play your C major chord with your left hand and a C with your right hand at the same time. So just to give you some context, I'll play the whole line with the C major chord at the end. When you wish upon a star as dreamers do. Great job. We've learned the whole song. Can you believe that? Now we're going to play it through once slowly, then again a little faster. So you have a slow version to practice as many times as you want. And then when you're ready, go to the fast version and again, practice as many times as you want. All right, slowly once, getting into C position from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you. Get back to C position. When your heart is in your dreams, no request is too extreme. When you wish upon a star as dreamers do. Pause and rewind that as many times as you need. Now the faster version. C position. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you. Thanks for playing with us today. Remember, if the song felt a little hard, that's probably because it was, but that's okay. Just try it again. Pause, rewind, practice on your own, and you'll get it eventually. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials. Happy practicing!